Hey guys, all right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to do some lunging for a sprint, burn off a little bit of energy from the big guy. Again, he's deaf, he can't hear. This is Zeus with roulette performance horses. We're just going to burn off a little energy, get him moving off of pressure, do some changes of directions, nothing really heavy or hard on the little guy, but he is a yearling, so he can handle just a little bit. So we'll get started. Anything you want, bud. Just don't crawl over the fence, okay? Now I could take the string off my. I could take the string off my stick, but he can't hear it, so it really doesn't have much of an effect besides the movement. Horses are afraid of two things: things that move and things that make sounds. Well, if he can't hear it. There we go, good boy. There we go. Glad to see he's not kicking at the stick. Now he's respecting it. He's got those gut sounds coming from his gut. He's holding in a little bit of tension, which is fine. It's good for him.
I can see his bones.
You can.
She can go to the fence. She just can't go into the pen.
So all we'll do is
As long as she doesn't
we'll
go
ask, and as soon as he gives in with that muddy face he's got.
as long as she doesn't go in.
Let's see if this works.
Anything. You can rattle the fence a little. Climb it, rattle it, run around.
Okay, bet. So I can do
Here,
this.
you saved me. That was a beetle.
So I can do this more.
Only adding pressure when he isn't doing what I asked, or he drops his energy. Good, very nice. Use the hindquarters to stop him. Pat him and feeling good. Oh goodness, what you doing, Miss Aspen? Got my grandkids here. Making a little noise, movement. Now, see, he's confused.
No, just pick it up. Right here. It's okay.
He's handling the pressure pretty good, but he's starting to push in on me just a little bit.
All right.
Yep. Forgot what he was doing.
Then you can take her to pet that horse.
This is his busy mind, looking everywhere, not thinking of what he's doing. Now he's coming to me a little bit. Now I lost him again. Not on top. Right, see?
Let's go.
That was a no. And we just worked through it. Now we're going to reward him for working through it.
Is a horse a human?
No. He's got 4 legs. We only got 2.
Wait, where's the eye?
All right, give him a little break.
She's wearing a mask.
I'm going to let him air up a little bit for about a minute. It's not much work, but with these little guys, you don't want to lose the lesson in the work. So we'll see you in just a few minutes.